Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to play Minecraft with your friends. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So, whether you are in Bedrock or in Java, you can easily play with your friends. On Bedrock, all you have to do is to add your friends to your Xbox list. So, if you're on your computer, you can go to the Xbox page right here, and you can see there's a tab right there on the bottom right that says Friends. And you can then find your friends from their username or their profile, or you can just search them right here and add them. Once you have them added to them, then from here you can just click on play, and then from here you can just select on realms or servers, and then you can join them together. And from the social you can just search for them and invite them to your lobby where you can join together and play. Now this works perfectly for if you're on Bedrock. If you are on the normal Java edition, then just exit the game. And then from here, let's go to our Java edition. For Java edition, you will need to make a server, not just a realm in the default Bedrock servers. So you will have to go to the multiplayer, and then you're going to either add a server or join someone's server. And you can do that by simply going to a website, for example, like Aternos, which is basically a free server website where you can just click on play. And then from here, going to just create a new server, going to name it whatever you want. And then once you create it, it's going to appear just like these. And then from here, going to click on start. Once you click on start, you can see this is the name of the server for the address where you're going to just copy that. Then from here, you're going to just name whatever it is. So my friends. And then from here, the server address where you're going to paste it. And then once you click on done, you can see your server is right here. So once it is connected, then you're going to just click on join server, and they can just type in the same information and join the server just like you did. And that is all. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.